Hornets Woodcutter. One afternoon, a woodcutter was cutting a huge tree by the river. Suddenly, his axe fell into the water. The woodcutter had only one axe and he had lost it. He did not have money to buy another axe. He sat by the river and wept. The river goddess heard him weeping. She appeared before him and asked why he was weeping. The woodcutter told her about the axe. The river goddess disappeared. When she appeared again, she showed the woodcutter a gold axe. He shook his head and said, "No, this isn't mine." The goddess showed him a silver axe. Again, he shook his head and said, "Not this either." The goddess then showed him an iron axe. The woodcutter wiped away his tears and said, "Yes, this is mine, mother." The goddess said, "Your honesty has moved me. Take all 3 axes, my son. Honesty brings great rewards." The Treacherous Fox. A donkey and a fox were wandering in the forest. They were good friends. They were too engrossed in chatting and were taken aback when they saw a lion nearby. It was too late to turn around and run. The fox had an idea. He said to the donkey, "Don't worry, I'll make friends with the lion, then he won't harm us." Then he went to the lion and said, "If you promise to spare my life, I will bring the donkey to you and you can kill him instead." The lion said, "As you say, you are clever." The fox came to the donkey and said, "Come along, the lion is our friend now." But the lion killed the donkey and ate him up. Then he turned to the fox and said, "It's your turn now," and killed him too. One should never deceive a friend. Treachery doesn't pay. The gold coins. There was a rich man in a village. One day, he saw an ascetic sitting under a tree and asked him to stay in his house. The rich man had a pot of gold coins with him, and he thought it would be safe to bury the pot in the ascetic's room. So he asked his servant to bury the gold coins there. After a few days, the ascetic thanked the rich man for his hospitality and left. But soon he was back with a piece of straw and said, "I do not take anything that doesn't belong to me." The rich man's servant sensed foul play. He asked his master to check whether the gold coins were safe. When the rich man searched the room, the gold coins were missing. The ascetic was actually a thief in disguise. The thief begged for forgiveness and returned all the gold coins. Faith can work miracles. Once there was a disciple of the Buddha. He had gone to the village and was returning to the monastery. On the way, there was a river. It was getting dark and there were no boatmen around. The disciple said, "O Buddha, I am surrendering myself to you. I am yours and you know how to take care of me." With these thoughts, concentrating on the Buddha, he entered the river and hardly noticed that the water level was high. He easily reached the middle of the river when his thoughts were diverted and he looked around him and panicked. "I am neck deep in water." Then he immediately said, "O Buddha, I am your disciple. I know I am safe because you are near." The disciple was sincere in his prayers and he crossed the remaining distance without any difficulty. When he reached the monastery, the Buddha was standing at the entrance, smiling at him.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.